Hello student, myself Bhayika Patel, lecturer in Computer Department of Vallabhbudhi Polytechnic College. Here I am presenting on topic decomposition of advanced database system. Here images itself shows that what is decomposition. It is actually the process by which dead organic substances are broken down into similar organic or inorganic matter. Now let's see in database system wise. What is decomposition? It is the process of breaking down given relation into two or more relations. How it can be done? When it is done when normalized any table is done in any normal form such as first normal form, second normal form, or higher than others. Such form does not fulfill its criteria, then decomposition is done. Here, a relation R is replaced by two or more relations in such a way that first, each new relation contains a subset of the attributes of R, and second, together they all include all attributes of R. So, here general decomposition is used to eliminate the problem of the poor database design during normalization form. Now when these two relation, example, one relation is given, relation as R, account branch. R relation is original relation, that is account branch. Four attributes are given and we are dividing it into two sub table, R1 and R2. R1 is account and R2 is branch. So here we can do by two methods, two types of decomposition. First is lossy decomposition and second is lossless decomposition. What is lossy decomposition? Lossy decomposition is the decomposition of relation R into R1 and R2 is lossy when the join of R1 and R2 does not yield the same relation as in R. Now, this is also referred as lossy join decomposition. Here, example is given. Now, when these two relations are joined, original relation is R and that is account, and I am dividing it into account balance and balance branch, that is R1 and R2. After that, I will obtain another table by joining itself. By decomposing, I get account join. Okay, now here when these two relations are joined on the common attribute balance, here balance is common in account balance relation R table and balance branch table. So the resultant relation will look like account join, which is my obtained relation. This account join relation contains rows in addition to this in original relation account. In my original relation account, there are only two records, A01, that is account A01, and account A02. But in obtained relation account join, I found there are multiple rows of account A01 and A02. So data are not same. See here down, there is not same is written. So original table and my decomposed table are different. Extra data I found. So lossy join, by reconstructing we may not able to get original relation. So information is lost. Now lossless join. What is lossless join? Lossless means what? Nothing is going to loss. Same here. My original table and decomposed table should be the same. What is lossless? The decomposition of R into R1 and R2 is lossless when the join of R1 and R2 produce the same relation as in R. This is also referred as non-additive decomposition. What is non-additive? Means not extra data is going to outcomes and no any losses is to be done. So lossless join. Now when these two relations are joined on the common attribute account number. In lossy, we had taken balance as common attribute, but in lossless join, we are taking account number as common attribute, and which is already given primary key. Okay, the resultant relation will looks like account join relation. This relation is exactly same as the original relation account. In such decomposition, no any fake tuples are generated when a natural join is applied to the relation in the decomposition. So in other words, what can I say, that in lossless join, by reconstructing we may get original relation. A relation table is decomposed into a more smaller table in such a way that the designer can capture the original table by joining the decomposed part. So the same relation account is decomposed into two relation, account balance and account branch, and its decomposed outcome is same as the original relation R. Okay, hope you have understand this topic. Thank you.